What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. So this is just kind of like a little day in the life again, but it is pretty late. The day is almost done. It's like after 6, but I have a car meet, so the car is looking mad clean. I actually washed it yesterday, and as soon as I washed it, some bird took a poop right on the back here. Like, I think it was like 3 different birds, because there was like one right there, one there, and one on the side. So I just like wiped it off today, and yeah, so the car's looking mad clean. I washed it yesterday, but I just wiped it off today, so it's so shiny. So I'm going to a car meet, and I'm actually gonna play soccer. I'm just in my soccer stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the car meet. I'll be there for a little bit. It starts at like 7:30, and right now it's like 6:50, so I'll leave here at like 7 to get there at 7:30, and then I'll just leave from that to the soccer. So I'll just bring you guys along, bring you guys to the meet, probably give you guys a little POV as well, show you guys all the cars at the meet and stuff like that. But yeah, the car's looking mad clean though. It's like really shiny. Yeah, I don't know if any of you guys are into soccer though. I play soccer quite a lot. I have like 2 teams I'm on. I play on like Fridays and Wednesdays. I'll show you guys my cleats real quick. Oh, but before that, if you guys haven't seen these license plates, I actually sell them. So check the link in the description to my website. It's my website, my product, so you can pretty much control my license plate on and off. So it's really sick. One of my favorite mods. So you guys definitely go check it out if you guys want one. But yeah, these are my cleats though. They're kind of rude though, because there's a hole in there. Someone tackled me bad like the last time I played, and yeah, that's where that hole is from. Probably need to get some new ones, but some pretty sick cleats. I don't know if you guys play soccer, so maybe some of you guys can relate to it, but yep. So enough of me talking though. I'll just update you guys once I get to the meet, and yeah, show you guys the cars, then bring you to soccer. There's a good amount of people there. Already, it's because it ends at like 11.
Do you even know the people?
So.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that M3.
Sorry, people, if you're
G.
in my video. Damn,
This
look
is
at the
a Beamer.
pink.
This is the Beamer, and look at it.
I need to. The sun.
Alright, it is actually a bike and a car meet though, so motorcycles and cars, but there's some sick cars here. Like Viper, bro, I had never seen one of those in person. I think it's sick, big Corvette. I love this M3 though. I'm not even where the Beamers are. I'll just park over here myself, because most of the parking spaces are full. I'm beside a nice Stang though. But look at this C6. I believe it's a C6 if I'm not wrong. This is mad clean. I don't know, I kind of want a Corvette. Damn, that's clean. The Lambo truck. I come to these meets a lot though, but this one is way bigger. Like a bunch of pages actually posted this one. And that's why there's so many nice cars, and I'm pretty sure a lot more are gonna pull up, because right now it started at 7:30. Right now it's like 7:40, and it ends at 11. So I know for a fact some other cars are gonna pull up, but I can't stay the whole time because I gotta go to the soccer game. But hey, this is where all the M's are though. Big M3. Which one do you guys prefer though? G80 or F80? M340i. I like these two, but I don't know. Wow, look at this engine bay. This was at the car meet in the indoor one, remember? This is a nice F80 though. Full carbon. Man, that's hard. Yeah? I think I follow this guy. I actually follow this guy. I've been looking at his Instagram stuff for a while. He has a clean F80 as well. That's hard. Double intake. Let me see. I think this guy's double too. Yeah. Bro, I need an F80 or an F82. seats. He has a nice steering wheel and everything. I don't know. See, I want to get an M, but like a F80 or F82, but I don't know. Like the interior, it is different. The only thing is similar is the steering wheel. It is still different though, but it's a little bit similar. But like the iDrive screen and everything, it is similar. So I don't know if I want to get it for my next car. But the seats are different. I think it's way different though. I like them because it's either this or like an M340i. But like I like the M340i's, but not that much. They look more like regular traffic. That's 350Z. This one. But nah, look at the fitment on this thing. That's 10 out of 10. This one. Bro, nah, I love these cars. I need an F80 or F82. Look at this black one. Oh, that's clean. Black with the chrome wheels are nice. Well, not really chrome. I guess you can call it like silver, but theirs are clean. Damn, big Rari pulled up. Yo, that's clean. Man, supercars. This is the most unique 350Z I've seen. I don't know. Let me know how you guys feel about it. It's like matte black. It is different though.
Sorry.
Big trunk.
Hey, guess Nick, you're good here.
But look at the F80s and look at my car. I don't know. Like they're similar, like just because it's F, but I think it's so much different still. I don't know. I feel like I'm definitely gonna, because these things, the M340i, they're the same price as these. Like real talk. Like right now, it's the same price. So I'm either gonna get this with the B58 or that with the S55 for my next car. But to be honest, my dream car has always been an F82 M4. Like always, that would definitely like my biggest dream car. So I feel like I'm gonna get an F82 instead of this. The B58 is more reliable than this and that, but I just love these. This is an F80 though, but I want an F82. I love the F80s too. I would get one, but I feel like I want an F82. The interior is a bit similar, but you can make it different. But yeah, look, this is an M4. So I don't know, M4 or M3, guys. Which one do you guys prefer? I feel like I like M4s more though. The two-door, I've never owned a coupe. I kind of want to test out a coupe. But M3 or M4, I don't know. This has always been my dream car though. Like like my favorite cars of all time have been the F80 and the F82, M3, M4. But M4 was on top though, for sure. This has been my dream car, so I feel like for my next car, I'm trying to get this or M3, but most likely this though. Yo, this Mazda is slammed. 10 out of 10. But they actually ran out of room on that side, so a bunch of people are parking over here now. But there's a 6C7 that just pulled up. Man, I love the Corvette. C7, C6, C8s. I prefer the C7 though. C7s are my favorite. That's just clean, especially from the back. I have to dip soon because my game is like it's almost time for my game. Look at that IS350. I know that guy. I don't know how many of you guys remember me from the IS350 days, but I had one of those. Damn, this shit's mad. Look how sick that is. And this Mustang looks crazy. This shit looks fast.
BMW bike?
Huh? Yeah, Beamer bike. I forgot what they're called, but this meet is definitely like way nicer cars than what I usually come to. Yeah, look at this F30. That shit's probably lower than mine. Yeah, that F30 is nice though. I think those are Apexes he has on. I love the Apex wheels. Sounds like manual. Yo, that's low. He got a roll cage and everything in that. Damn.
Alright, you guys.
That's a clean F30 though. That thing is crazy. Look at the headlight. You know what that's for a turbo. On that side, this side is packed. Old school. These shits are expensive too. GTR. GTR. You don't like them? That's what Nick has. Corvette color is sick though. Nah, but I'm gonna bring my car over there. I need to go get food. But I'm not walking through all of this with my food in my hand. It's another F30. I actually just ran into a fan, so if you're watching this video, huge shout out to you, bro. For this Supra, I've seen this on Instagram. The color in this thing is nice. I want to get one too. I don't know. I want everything. I'll let everyone pass though. Bro, I'm always not parked with the BMWs. I was just getting food though. Got some food in there. I got a dip to my game. Man, that's sad because I actually wanted to see the rest of the cars. This is nice to a Camaro. But look at these 3 Beamers though. This is a sick one. I like this lip too. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer this kind of lip or the lip that I have on my car? Because I like this lip. But his car though, yeah, it's on the Apex. I know it. But yeah, they got a roll cage. Oh, it was non-M Sport as well. Next thing I want to do is get side skirts. I have them. I just got to paint match them and get some side skirt extensions. It's just nice. Same trunk clip too. But he still got the non-M Sport bumper, the rear one. Probably for his muffler though. I don't even know. But this just nice. He got a big bucket seat. This shit is clean. I think it's a 335 probably. Though. Yo, look at that GTR. I love GTRs too. That's just clean. That's nice. Yeah, I gotta go back over there to get one last video of everything. I don't think anyone is parked up over here because it was full, eh?
But maybe. There's a Lexus.
I think the GTR might have parked over here. I think.
No. No.
Here's another M4 or M3. I'm not sure what it is. Let's see. M4. It's nice, eh? Nah, I definitely want an M4 next.
There's all the Hondas.
Lambo. Look. You see it?
He wants you to
Lambo.
rev it, hon.
Eh?
He wants you to rev it. Oh yeah, look at the Lambo.
Damn, that's just clean.
I'm trying to get it, but are you gonna go? It says Superman.
Damn rich. That's how you know you're rich.
What
You
do you
got
even-
a thing like that. Oh, I know that guy. I actually did make it on time though, but our game starts in like 10 minutes. This is not my team. It's kind of a drop-in match. My season starts next week, so it is a drop-in match, but there's a couple of my teammates here though.